You're watching Fast Tech, and today I'm going to show you how to install Android OS directly on your PC without emulator. Now first go to this website of Phoenix OS and download this file. It is uploaded on Mega. If Mega not works on your destination, please try to download with the VPN, because this is a link is very working link. Now download this file with any VPN like Betternet. I downloaded it with Betternet. Now open the exe file installer and click on install, and please remember install this exe file or this installer on same partition where you install Windows, like Windows 7 or Windows 7. Commonly mostly people install on C. Please select C now and select 32 GB or 16 GB as your capacity of your C partition. Now here installing process is start, and here is one note for you, or one suggestion for you. Please do not turn off your computer, because this OS is installing on same partition on where your Windows OS installed. So maybe it corrupt your Windows if the power supply fails, because it's working on bootable files now. Then please check your power supply. And second suggestion for you, please install above Core i3 Intel processors like Core i5, Core i3, which have 4 core, and minimum RAM memory required is 4 GB. Then please install on minimum 4 GB PC. Now I am fast forwarding this video to process. Here my video speed is 4 times fast. Now it's normally take 10 to 20 minutes. Keep patience and don't do any other process while this installation. And after finishing this installation, please reboot now, and just do reboot and wait. It will automatically redirect to the installation for first time. Next time I will show you how it show dual boot on installation window, sorry, on startup window. It will make dual boot for Windows and Phoenix OS. Phoenix OS is Android OS, which is based on Android 7.1 Android Nougat. Now here wait until Phoenix. Now here select the language. Here default the language is Chinese. Now you have to select it to English. Don't worry about the Chinese, you can select here English. Click on next, click accept the agreement, and do little bit process and create your account here. Once you finish, the beautiful Android OS window will appear, or desktop will appear, and it's very quite amazing and quite beautiful. It's already fixed the resolution settings automatically. Here the control center on right side. Look here, the Wi-Fi settings, Bluetooth, and location setting symbol, sound symbol, rotation symbol, and the brightness and sound bar you can adjust there. And here my computer showing like a Windows PC. Here the 32 GB emulated, sorry, 30 GB 2 GB selected storage, and the other partition of hard disk like this. You can now here browse the all partition from Windows NTFS partitions, and generally you can do any work of with your documents, like installing Microsoft Office or Google spreadsheets. With the PC work, you can have now installing Chrome, you can browse, you can play video, also you can play the games. Look here, all the external and internal storage browsing here, showing here. Now close it, and here I am showing you how to customize the setting of brightness and sound, and how to adjust the keyboard setting here, the layout. Now select the input setting of your keyboard. Now you can here fully customize your keyboard layouts and virtual keyboard etc. You can open this window from this setting symbol. Also, this is control panel of your Android based OS or for PC, and here you can now control sounds, all melodies, notifications etc. You can also adjust the display settings and resolution. It's automatically detect your monitor or device, but display device, but you can also change it and set resolution what you want. Now here I am showing you Play Store, the heart of the Android OS. Now first I need to set up my account. Now I am here entering the password, and you need to install the required services like Google services etc. if asked from Google Play Store. Now here showing some waiting, or I think it's set up in Play Store. Now I'm checking voice recorder. It's look like very similar of phone, Android phones voice recorder, and the in background now Play Store is oh, the Play Store is came out. You can install what you want, like games, like applications. Now first time I'm going to reboot it. Now here I'm showing you how to select the dual operating system, or Windows or Phoenix OS. Here you can look here, you can select here and boot. I now selected the Phoenix OS, and after all the Phoenix OS is starting first time after installation. Similarly, like a desktop, Windows desktop, you can create folders or you can create files on desktop here like this. I'm going to delete this on recycle bin. Now thank you for watching this video, and please subscribe my channel Fast Tech, and make a like for this video. Thank you.